Hi everyone, this is Motorcycle Showroom, a channel dedicated to introduce new line of motorcycle from leading manufacturers around the world. If you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and like my videos. If this were any normal year, Moto Guzzi would be holding a big party this week to celebrate its 100th birthday. Because of the pandemic, the Piaggio-owned brand had to postpone its Moto Guzzi World Days 2021 festival to 2022. Nevertheless, Moto Guzzi proceeded to announce what would have been the highlight of the festival: the new V100 Mandello model. The Italian brand isn't giving away too many details, however, we're getting out our magnifying glasses and going over the Moto Guzzi's presentation. So here are the 9 fast facts. The 2022 V100 Mandello is an upright sport bike. The handlebar has a swept-up bend, and there's a sizable upper fairing. Don't call it a naked motorcycle. The motor is all new and liquid-cooled. Moto Guzzi truly is embracing the future with its first liquid-cooled production motorcycle. The V100 retains the traditional Moto Guzzi powerplant architecture. It's a transverse V-twin with a longitudinal bottom end. While it is undoubtedly a 4-valve head, the boxy valve covers hide what's going on at the top of the cylinders. V100 indicates that it's a leader bike. Mandello tells you where it will be built. The chassis uses the motor as a stressed member, and the single-sided swingarm also houses the shaft drive. If you thought Moto Guzzi was going to chain drive, well, not yet. The calipers are all Brembo, with radial mounting and double discs in the front. The Öhlins suspension is semi-active. There's a single piggyback reservoir shock on a single-sided swingarm and inverted fork. Pirelli Diablo Rosso IV tires are employed. There's a 190/55 in the rear and a 120/70 front. Both mounted on 17-inch rims, of course, and lastly, we can't wait to see a spec sheet and go riding. Moto Guzzi will debut the 2022 V100 Mandello in person at EICMA in Milan on November 23rd. So better mark your calendars.
Thanks for watching our video. Stay safe and see you again next time.